Review Hub. Brand name, Yi Tui. Engine brand, Kubota. Power, W, 30 kW. Rated power, 20 HP. By wheel, customizable. Condition, new. Core components, engine. Warranty, 1 year. Make, factory direct sales. Year, 2025. Showroom location, Spain. Applicable industries, farms. Warranty of core components, 1 year. Video outgoing inspection, provided. Machinery test report, provided. Key selling points, multifunctional. Drive type, crawler transport. Usage, semi-automatic machinery. Place of origin, China. Product name, mini excavator. Color or function, customizable. Engine brand, Kubota. Cab or refrigeration, customizable. Supply channels, factory direct sales. Direct shipment from stock, arrives in 30 days. Type, crawler excavator. Wheel tractor, crawler tractor. Applicable industries, farms, manufacturing plant, construction works. High concerned chemical, none. Certification, Euro 5 CE EPA. Origin, mainland China. Product keywords, mini excavators.
Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Check description below for product link.